Ever found yourself with a wad of cash and a sudden urge to deposit it into your Lloyds Bank account? Maybe you sold something online, received a cash gift, or simply prefer handling physical money. Whatever the reason, the question lingers: can you actually pay cash into your Lloyds Bank account? It's a fair question in an increasingly digital world. We tap our cards for coffee, pay bills online, and even send money to friends with a few swipes on our phones. So, where does good old-fashioned cash fit into the modern banking landscape, especially with a major institution like Lloyds Bank? The short answer is yes, you absolutely can pay cash into your Lloyds Bank account. However, like many things in life, it's not quite as simple as just walking into any branch and handing over your notes and coins. There are a few different ways you can do it, and understanding these options will save you time and potential frustration. One of the most straightforward methods is visiting a Lloyds Bank branch. This might seem obvious, but it's worth noting that not all bank branches are created equal. Some branches may have reduced counter services, especially in larger cities where digital banking is more prevalent. To avoid a wasted trip, it's always a good idea to check the Lloyds Bank website or app to confirm the opening hours and services available at your local branch. When you do visit a branch, make sure you have your debit card or account details readily available. The teller will need this information to credit the correct account. They will then process your deposit and provide you with a receipt as confirmation. It's always a good practice to keep this receipt safe until the funds appear in your account. Another convenient option for depositing cash is using a Lloyds Bank cash deposit machine. These machines are typically located within or just outside bank branches and offer a self-service way to pay in cash. The process is usually quite intuitive. You'll typically insert your debit card, follow the on-screen instructions, and feed your banknotes into the machine. The machine will then count the cash and provide you with a confirmation slip. Keep this slip for your records. It's important to be aware of any potential limits on cash deposits, whether you're using a teller or a cash deposit machine. These limits can vary depending on your account type and the bank's policies. If you're planning to deposit a large sum of cash, it's always advisable to check with Lloyds Bank beforehand to ensure there won't be any issues. Beyond physical branches and deposit machines, there aren't currently any widely available third-party services that allow you to directly deposit cash into your Lloyds Bank account. While some retailers offer cashback services when you make a purchase, this is essentially withdrawing cash, not depositing it. Similarly, while some payment apps allow you to load funds via cash at specific locations, these funds typically reside within the app's ecosystem and would then need to be transferred to your bank account, which isn't a direct cash deposit. So, to recap, if you need to pay cash into your Lloyds Bank account, your primary options are visiting a Lloyds Bank branch or using a Lloyds Bank cash deposit machine. Remember to have your account details handy and be mindful of any potential deposit limits. Checking the Lloyds Bank website or app for branch information and service availability is always a smart first step. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.